आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
Viewers, I want to go now to our other big story, a very troubling warning that has come from Mamata Banerjee, because the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision of the Electoral Rolls, is getting underway in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee is completely getting very, very edgy. At a public speech today, she has warned of anarchy if the BJP targets her. She has warned of jolting India. Can you imagine a chief minister facing anti-incumbency wants to jolt the country? Listen to this.
আমাকে আঘাত করলে আমি সারা ভারতবর্ষ হিলিয়ে দেব।
Mamata is rattled by the SIR in Bengal. She is now threatening national stir. After Rahul Gandhi's SIR gambit failed in Bihar,
there is a fire that is starting in Bihar. And you will see, I'm inviting all the senior leaders to come and see this fire because it is catching fire. मतलब वो आग फैल रही है, उसको रोका नहीं जा सकता।
Mamata has taken over the baton of violent rhetoric on SIR.
আমায় বাংলায় আঘাত করলে, কারণ মানুষকে আঘাত করলে আমি মনে করি আমাকে আঘাত করছে। আমাকে আঘাত করলে আমি সারা ভারতবর্ষ হিলিয়ে দেব। এটা মাথায় রেখো। ওদের কাছে একটা কোয়েশ্চেন করি, গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়ার কাছে, যদি বাংলাদেশি তাড়াবার জন্য SIR করতে হয় তাহলে মধ্যপ্রদেশে নাটক করছেন কেন? ওখানেও খুশবইটি আছে, তাহলে আপনার ডাবল ইঞ্জিন সরকার।
This just a day after clashes outside the West Bengal CEO office over the SIR workload. The BJP too has hit the streets in Bengal against TMC's SIR objections. However, this is not the first time Mamata has used violent rhetoric on SIR issue.
एक तो इलेक्शन कमीशन बैठे हैं, मैं उसको डिसरेस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई बीजेपी दलाली करे तो हम उसको इंसान के लिए हम कहेंगे दलाली मत करना, हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
Today, a rattled Mamata even wrote a letter to the CEC Gyanesh Kumar questioning why the West Bengal CEO wants to hire data entry operations for the West Bengal SIR. Now, the BJP is hitting out.
देखिए, पूरा हिंदुस्तान में SIR होगा, लेकिन पश्चिम बंगाल में इतना शोर क्यों मचा रहा है ममता बनर्जी? अभी SIR हो रहा है, जितना BLOs काम कर रहे हैं उसको तो असिस्ट करने के लिए कोई डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर चाहिए, उसको प्रोवाइड ममता बनर्जी नहीं कर रहे हैं। इसी का कारण एक चिट्ठी लिख रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं है इसमें, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है।
On cue, the Congress is hopping on the Mamata bandwagon.
जायज बातें होंगी, बहुत जागरूक और संवेदनशील राजनीतिक राष्ट्रीय स्तर की नेता हैं ममता बनर्जी, और उन्होंने कोई बात उठाई है तो उसमें जरूर बहुत गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए। ये थोपा जा रहा है देश के ऊपर और परेशान कर दिया जा रहा है नागरिकों को।
Not just in Bengal, but in all poll-bound states, the opposition is weaving the same narrative.
पूरी तरीके से अत्याचार अन्याय कर रहा है चुनाव आयोग, सरकार मिलकर मोदी और योगी मिलकर कर रहे हैं, चोरी कराना चाहते हैं और BLO सुसाइड कर ले रहे हैं, कोई जान दे रहा है, कोई नौकरी छोड़ दे रहा है। कल परसों एक लड़की ने भी नौकरी छोड़ दी, शिक्षिका ने, पिंकी नाम है उसका, नोएडा में। ये क्या हो रहा है? इससे साबित हो रहा है कि पूरी तरीके से अत्याचार अन्याय चुनाव आयोग और सरकार मिलकर कर रहे हैं। इस पे रोक लगनी चाहिए, प्रभावी कार्रवाई। जो जिन अधिकारियों के दबाव के कारण से ये हो रहा है उनके ऊपर 302 का मुकदमा लिख के उनको जेल भेजना चाहिए।
SIR is becoming the #1 talking point in the country. The big question is Mamata going to repeat the failed SIR gambit from Bihar in the Bengal elections?
Just by way of explanation, Tausif Khan of Trinamool, can you just tell Sanju of BJP, Jyotsna of TDP and Satyaprakash Mishra of JDU and Somnath Bharti of Aam Aadmi Party and Nikhil Jain of Congress, can you just tell Tausif what Mamata means when she said Hiliye Debo, Bharat ke hiliye debo. I will shake up India. I will jolt India. I will shake up Bharat. I will jolt Bharat. I will therefore hurt Bharat. I will damage India. A leader has said that, Ami hiliye debo, I will jolt India. Can you just explain that in specific terms? How will she hiliye debo India? How will she hurt my country? How will she damage my country? How will she target my countrymen? How will she hurt my country's national sovereignty? Please tell me.
I will answer that. Arnab, I will answer that. Arnab, I will answer that. Now, if BJP and Election Commission together in collusion tries to damage my country, tries to hurt my country, then obviously some or the other leader has to stand up and...
No, but is this a call
fight.
for violence? She's saying I will jolt my country. Does anyone use that language?
If one single citizen... No, do not interrupt me. Do not interrupt me. If one single citizen is devoid, is illegally removed from the voter list, is not allowed to vote, then that's the death of democracy. Democracy means that
today Mamata Banerjee has said she will shake up India. She's crossed the limit
not
in my
at the
view.
likes of any political party.
Sanju Verma is on the debate. You already began late, so I need to get in quickly. Sanju, take the debate forward. Sanju.
To prevent
very quickly, you know, Arnab, this is not fair.
1 minute. Tausif will not stop. You continue. Turn on the other side. Yes. Go on.
There will be resistance. Yes, there will be resistance.
I refuse to debate like this. I've been waiting for the last 40 minutes. Please ensure that I get my time. My time is precious. If not to you, at least to me. I waited for 40 minutes and then I'm heckled non-stop. First and foremost, SIR is a democratic exercise under Article 326 of the Constitution, and Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia of the Supreme Court in July 2025 said that the Election Commission violated Article 324 of the Constitution and violated Section 21 of the Representation of Peoples Act 1950-51 is mandated to carry out the SIR exercise. So SIR is legitimate, SIR is legal, SIR is valid, SIR is constitutional. And I want to tell your audience one thing. Or not, what did Mamata Banerjee say? Amar shathe khelte gele, ami je khelate khelbo, she khele, tumra amake dhorte parbe na. If you start playing games, you don't know what khela hobe I will do. I will not only jolt the nation, you can't catch me. Look at her incendiary and inflammatory statements. Look at the audacity of Mamata Banerjee saying, Amake aghat korle, ami shara Bharat borshor, hiliye debo.
Hiliye debo.
Kyun hiliye debo? Kyun hiliye debo, bhai? SIR. No, and one last thing, let me say one thing. I've been told BLOs are committing suicide. BLOs are stressed. BLOs are distressed. I want to ask Mamata Banerjee, 41 people died after the Panchayat poll elections in West Bengal, and a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court, led by Justice Manoj Mishra and Justice B.V. Nagaratna. What did they say? They said to Mamata Banerjee, if you're not able to hold free and fair elections, let us know. We will put an alternative mechanism in place. The right to hold elections does not give you the right to violence. This is what the Supreme Court told Mamata Banerjee, and I was on debates. And I remember I was on your debate too, Arnab Goswami. And when I told 41 people, mainly BJP workers, have been butchered in West Bengal by TMC goons, these people said, "Arey to court jao na. Republic channel par aakar rona dhona kyun karte ho? To bhai sahab, aap court jaiye. Whether BLOs committed suicide due to work pressure or whether this is a yarn that is being spun by TMC goons, that remains to be seen."
My worry is that she wants to unleash mobs. My worry is that she wants to unleash mobs. This is not how a chief minister speaks about a constitutional institution.
Exactly. And my final point, please.
She said, hiliye debo, I focus on that. She says, I will shake up the entire country. The problem with Somnath Bharti, fielded on my program by the Aam Aadmi Party, is that he supports Mamata Banerjee. He also wants to, without winning an election, hiliye debo. It cannot happen. The only way you can shake things up is if you win or lose an election. I really want to know
He does
what
not
is the
support
position of
Mamta
the Aam
Banerjee. He
No, he
hates
has to support
Narendra
Mamta Banerjee on this because he would like
He hates
without.
Narendra Modi. That's the problem. He does not support Mamta Banerjee. He hates Narendra Modi. They are so overcome by their visceral hatred for Narendra Modi and Amit Shah that इनके लिए चाहे दुनिया इधर से उधर हो जाए, ममता बनर्जी
And
को आंख
Mamta
एक आंख
Banerjee is
नहीं
saying
दिखाती।
today that till I am here, nobody can throw you out. Who is she talking about? She's talking about Bangladeshis. She's basically saying that till she's there, nobody can throw out Bangladeshis. Somnath Bharti, what's your take on Mamta Banerjee's horrible threat to shake the country?
हिलिए देबो। Fred.
Arnav, I have been on your show for the last 40 minutes and now I get a chance. See, the question is, I want to first understand because the BJP spokesperson was, in a very loud manner was saying constitutionally authorized SIR is Article 324. I don't find anywhere it's mentioned SIR, special intensive revision. It's nowhere mentioned. Number two.
Is it mentioned in
Number
the
two,
RTA Act of 1953?
tell me what were the objectives of SIR?
Go and read section
Please
21 of the
don't
RTA
intervene.
Act.
Don't intervene when I
To let
speak.
him complete.
I have not
Sanju,
intervened you.
I don't need the
I have not
intervention now
interfered you.
because you spoke before.
Allow me to
Please
speak, please.
Continue.
I will
What is
allow
this?
you to peddle lies.
Continue, Somnath.
Please. See, second thing, on a show I saw, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, when he was asked a question that you did SIR to find out Ghuspetiyas. How many Ghuspetiyas you found in Bihar? He said it doesn't matter. He openly said it does not matter how many Ghuspetiyas were found. So what was the objective of SIR? Tell me that.
Okay.
Objective was to identify non-BJP voters and get them deleted and add fake voters.
That is your
allow
narrative.
BJP leaders
That
to
is your
vote in
narrative.
Delhi, to vote in Maharashtra,
Somnath-
to vote in
Somnath
Bihar,
ji.
shamelessly.
Somnath ji.
Shamelessly.
Somnath ji,
and
but
they have been
SIR
showing,
but
they have been
SIR
slapping
Yeah, but-
ECI on the cheek, making their cheek red by exhibiting their photos on the Twitter, voting in Delhi, voting in Bihar. What
SIR is not happening only in Delhi or in Bihar. SIR is happening everywhere.
What is doing?
SIR is happening in
Yes,
Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand.
What's your name? Gyanesh Kumar will not go scot-free. Let me guarantee
Don't
this.
you are issuing threats now
Mr.
because you
Ganesh Kumar,
can't.
he will not
This
go
is a
scot-free.
threat. Did you see that, Jyotsna?
This channel.
He's now beginning to
Record
threaten.
my statement. You will be prosecuted in time for your wrongs, for killing the democracy.
You are threatening the Chief Election Commissioner with prosecution. Now, just because you
He'll
lose
be
an election,
prosecuted in time
just
to
because you
come. I'm
lose an
saying-
election.
Yes.
1 minute. The SIR
No,
exercise.
because SIR was done
Yes,
with
Nikhil.
no objective whatsoever.
Nobody can escape the hands of the law in this country, be it the CC or anybody else. अगर to quote the words of Mamta Banerjee, अगर election commissioner बैठ के दलाली करेंगे, so the law will take its own course, and the country is there to see. And also, I take strong objections to the BJP spokesperson mocking the suicides and deaths of the BLOs. She's showing how inconsiderate and insensitive her party is. And lastly, there is nothing called.
Nikhil, you have lesser intelligence than the hair on your head. Please don't sit here and teach me about transparency and accountability. Mamta Banerjee does not know the spelling of accountability. Abhishek Banerjee is out on bail in the recruitment scam.
No, if
And he says,
one minute. In our country today, viewers,
And it's a wholly fallacious, ineffective, and colossally stupid exercise.
This is how I interpret this.
Tell me the
Our Chief
objectives
Minister of a
SIR.
state, Somnath ji, is threatening to shake
Tell
the
me the
country
objectives of
to
SIR.
support infiltrators.
Why was it
Our Chief
undertaken?
Minister
What for?
wants to jolt the country to support
I'm not
illegal
sure.
infiltrators.
How many infiltrators
Mamta
have come
Banerjee
in
is
Bihar?
so much in
Tell
love
me
with
that.
Muslim infiltrators that she
How
wants to
many
shake up the
infiltrators
country
are
because
found
she
here?
feels
BJP is
they are
scared.
under threat.
How many
No,
infiltrators were
Arnab,
found in
why
Bihar?
are you
Jyotsna.
and BJP scared by what Mamta Banerjee is saying?
Arnabji, I think I
Jyotsna must
deserve
be
my
given her
time. I
turn.
deserve my
Jyotsna.
time.
She's waiting as
I
well.
deserve,
That's
I
what
deserve my
shakes
time,
you.
Arnab ji.
You do.
अब
Louder.
जो लोग इतना बात कर रहे हैं ना, Arnab ji, don't you think very simple line I just एक ही शब्द में मैं इसको खत्म कर देती हूँ, Arnab ji. They are scared. उनका their anger literally depicts their fear. Aren't we understanding it, Arnavji? Isn't it very, very clear? Their anger really and very clearly depicts their fear. SIR is working. Working for what? It is working for deletion of all the fraud voters and making sure that each and every genuine voter gets their right to vote. Sir, I think I have my sir. I think you need to give time for me to speak. I didn't interrupt you. I didn't interrupt you. You do not have the right to interrupt me. I did not interrupt you. I did not interrupt you. Kindly hold on. Now, Arnab ji, the point, Arnab ji, उनका रोना क्या है, उनका डर क्या है, मैं बताती हूँ आपको. SIR is the firewall of Indian democracy. अब इन लोगों को ये तो बिल्कुल हजम नहीं होता. क्यों नहीं हजम होता, ये भी बात मैं बताती हूँ. अभी क्या है ना, जिस दिन वोटर लिस्ट साफ हो जाएगा, एकदम वोटर लिस्ट बिकम्स प्योरली एंड क्लीन, देन ये जो ऑपोजिशन का जो वो वोट बैंक है ना, इलीगल वोट बैंक जो है, वो खत्म हो जाएगा. अब ये बताओ ये कहां से जीतेंगे? अब उनका डर है ना अर्नब जी, अब उस चीज को लेकर डर क्यों रहे हो और ये बात आप पूछ रहे हो? एंड देन अगेन ममता दी आज के तारीख में शी इज लिटरली थ्रेटनिंग, शी विल डू दैट इज आउट ऑफ डेस्परेशन, दैट इज आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन. Sir, I think you need to maintain some minimum decency. I did not interrupt you. I did not interrupt you.
इसका जवाब नहीं है.
I did not. You can raise your finger and object me after I speak.
I am asking
not
you,
while I am
with folded
speaking.
hands.
Not while I am speaking. Not while I am speaking. Please maintain some decency. Please maintain some decency. I think at least in the debates you need to maintain that. Now, Arnab ji, one more thing. ये जो हो रहा है ना SIR, इट इज सफाई हो रहा है, वोटर लिस्ट का सफाई हो रहा है. अब इन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम क्या है? यहाँ पे तो कोई सियासत ही नहीं है, खाली सफाई हो रहा है. दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद इट. नाउ TMC wants, I'll tell you very clearly, TMC wants the dead to vote and we NDA want the youth to vote. As simple as that, which was very much clear in Bihar elections also. The turnout of youth. Then now अब इन लोगों को क्या चाहिए ये बताइए. And this is the same TMC which said years together, they said there are no infiltrators. Absolutely, there are no infiltrators. Now, this is the same TMC which says don't remove any infiltrators.
The thing is that Mamta's politics is only Muslim-centric. Mamta should not do Muslim-centric politics. That's why she wants a Muslim vote bank. She doesn't care if the Muslims are Indian nationals or Bangladeshi. She thinks all Muslims will vote for her. But if you do only Muslim politics, you will also suffer because nobody else will vote for you. Even Muslims won't trust you.
This question on your show tonight? No, you cannot.
SIR was even held when Nehru was the Prime Minister in 1952.
Who has shared the data?
There was an SIR
who has shared the data?
When Nehru was the Prime Minister.
Has Election Commission shared the data with BJP leaders that so many number of voters' name will be deleted? Or is it the other side?
There was an SIR when T.V. Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister in 1993. There was an SIR under Rahul Gandhi's father, under Rahul Gandhi's grandmother, under Rahul Gandhi's great-grandfather Nehru.
Actually, Somnath, I tell you, I'd like to get Satyaprakash Mishra. Somnath Bharti and Satyaprakash Mishra.
आपको डरना चाहिए.
सोमनाथ सत्यप्रकाश जी, एक्चुअली ममता बनर्जी को डर लग रहा है.
अच्छा है, ये डर अच्छा है.
ममता बनर्जी डर चुकी है because the Bangladeshis are getting scared that Mamta is going to lose the elections and that's why they are fleeing West Bengal. They are going back to Bangladesh. Satyaprakash Mishra, Somnath ji will tell you what happened in Bihar.
Are you getting my voice?
Yes, I am loud and clear.
Yeah, actually, Arnab, there is a word in Hindi, Gidar Bhapki. So this Gidar Bhapki of Mamta Banerjee will be definitely contained by the agencies if she really mean to hilie debo. I don't want to comment, she is a lady and she has been running Bengal, that दिमाग हिल गया है तो ऐसा ऐसा बयान आएगा, आने का डर है और दिमाग गया है हिल. रहा कि SIR is a constitutional process. Even last time they visited Supreme Court didn't hold the process. It allowed it to happen in Bihar. Why they are? Because they have a kind of fear that SIR even increased in helping the voter turnout. If the voter turnout is high, they may lose the election, so they're very much afraid of. They carry the constitution in the hand, but never listen to the constitutional framework. It is the duty of Election Commission to carry
Dr.
out
Prakash
every
ji, are
kind
you
of
threatening
SIR
the
and
sitting chief
whatsoever
minister of the country with
way
the
to correct
bogus
the
CD
voter
raids?
list and include the right voters and delete the
Dr.
fraud
Prakash
voters?
ji,
It's
are
very
you
simple.
threatening Mamata Banerjee?
I don't want everyone. I only want Satya and Somnath. Thank you, Satya.
Danger to the nation, and they are opposing the constitutional framework. And definitely,
No,
we are
tell
not
me
the
one thing,
spokesperson of
Satya ji.
Election Commission. Election
I'm a
Commission
lawyer
itself
myself.
will deal with such situation,
Tell me in
and it
Article
is dealing.
324,
And somebody
if
commented
this
that
word
somebody's
special
suicide,
intensive
you know,
revision is
committed
even
suicide.
mentioned.
Somnath.
There are so many
What is the
people under
purpose of
the
SIR?
duress.
Tell me, what is the purpose of SIR? What were the objectives of SIR? Objectives of SIR.
Across the country.
Objectives of SIR. Can somebody tell me?
I think the sole objective of SIR is to throw out Bangladeshis.
क्या objective था?
The sole objective of SIR, Somnath Bharti, is to ensure that you cannot employ a Bangladeshi in your office.
So how many Bangladeshis were thrown in Bihar? Tell me that.
Anyway, I never thought that you would come out so much. I never thought that Congress, Trinamool and Aam Aadmi Party will openly support Bangladeshis on my program.
Mr.
We are
Arnab
supporting the rights of Indian citizens to vote and
how many
concepts of a free and fair
Bangladeshis
election that you guys have
were
forgotten
found in
about.
the
Well, there are
SIR?
2 to 3 to 4 to 5 crore Bangladeshis in our country, and we'll be better off without them.
Then definitely you need to get a lecture on it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's an open fight over the SIR issue. We've also seen India's being pushed back by the Chinese and escalation with the Chinese, but we still don't know where Rahul Gandhi is. That's a question I think we'll never get a clear answer to. See you tomorrow evening. Good night and goodbye.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जलजीरा मसाला। सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप MDH का जलजीरा जीरा सिप।